Kajaintia Students Union Hinegasni Katagalai Tregunailar, Kalaikundu Ekamentri Sarkar Jilla, Kakong Amprin Lingdo, Ban I Dorcas, Halor Kaching E, Bakinong Shong Ka Block 1 Kiakundo, Dagabakano, Bakinong Meglaya, Kishale Ben, Manakapor, Haki Karbi, Na Assam. Habaikan Bikilapatai Kabor, General Secretary ka JSU, Usamla Trey Borlang Suchen, Ulakano badan katu kat ni teliki seng bhalang na Karbi ang long ki bakhangla di ki priyo na miglaya banya lanti ling ba kishnong ki jongki. Haba ong ba ka block 1 ka dan ha miglaya usamla tribor lang ulakantui ka sarkar jilla ban shimkhia halor ka ni kam ban yara bi ki Khasi-Pnar ban yo kam tribe yang ya ka block 1 ban pentik na bakan hab ha ka jilla miglaya.
We got a message from the Block 1 area that some people of Karbi would say self-proclaimed social organization or NGO. They threaten our people from time to time and doing extortion, stopping up people in, I would say, in terms of movement, going to the state of Meghalaya. And this thing happened from time to time. And yesterday we got a call from our people that one or two group of people were there and they stopped our young people and saying that they could not form any social organization or any NGO or any kind of a social group in the Block 1 area. And we know this is a very surreptitious, I would say, surreptitious way of what Karbi is doing so that they can stop our people and shut them out to voice out for the concern and for the public interest of the Block 1 area. And right now, this regional committee is going on. I would say the border demarcation is going on right now, and we feel that the Block 1 area of that supposedly to belong to the state of Meghalaya, and we wanted the government to take it very seriously and to help out the people of Khasi-Pnar and Block 1 to retransfer back the Block 1 to state of Meghalaya. So we look forward that the government of Meghalaya will take very sincere action and hear the voice of the people of the Khasi-Pnar and Block 1.
Any assurance?
Assurance is this: we have just submitted a memorandum, and the memorandum we suggested the government to take few points and measures to give protection and safety and security to the people of Block 1, especially the Khasi-Pnar people that are being threatened by the Karbi from time to time. And yes, Honorable Minister has given assurance. He'll speak to the CM, and from JSU we suggested that there should be the government should initiate a talk between the government of Assam and government of Meghalaya. Initiate a talk in a way so that the both DCs of DC of West India and DC of 100, that they're supposed to give a proper protection and safety to the people who lives in Block 1.